आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
In this question, we are given that a factory manufactures two types of screws, that is screw A and screw B. First of all, what we'll do is we'll let screw A to be equal to X and screw B to be equal to Y. Now we'll make the table for both of the screws, that is X and Y, and it is written that both of these screws are made up on two types of machine, that is an automatic machine and a hand operated machine. So we'll write over here automatic machine and a hand operated machine. So it is also given that screw A takes 4 minutes on automatic machine and 6 minutes on hand operated machine. So it will be 4 minutes on automatic and 6 minutes on hand operated. And screw B 6 minutes on automatic and 3 minutes on hand operated. So it will be 6 minutes on automatic and 3 minutes on hand operated. And both of these screws have a profit of 0.7 rupees for X and 1 rupee for Y. And it is given that both of the machine can be run for 4 hours. So the total minute will be 240 minutes, and here also it will be 240 minutes. Now we'll make both of the equation for automatic as well as for hand operated machine. It will be 4x plus 6y will be less than or equal to 240, and the second equation will be 6x plus 3y, which will be less than or equal to 240. We'll simplify both of the equation. It will be 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 120. So this is our first equation, and the second equation is this one, as it is already simplified. Now we'll calculate the point coordinates of these two equations, that is first and the second equation. So if x is put 0 in the first equation, we get the value of y as 40, and if y is put 0, we get the value of x as 60. And in the second equation, if we put the value of x as 0, we get the value of y as 80, and if we put the value of y as 0, we get the value of x as 40. We'll put all these coordinates on the graph and see where it gets intersected. So we have put the coordinates. Here is A 040, B 60 0, C 080, and D 40 0. If we make the straight line through them, we see that the point of intersection is 30 20. So we need to find out the maximum of profit on points 040, 30 20, 40 0, and 0 0. So to find out the maximum profit, we have the equation max z is equal to 0.7x plus 1 into y. So we'll put the value of x and y respectively. So the first value of x and y will be 0, 40. So in taking 0, 40 in consideration, we'll get the value of z as 40 rupees. The second point is 30, 20 as given. Here it is 30, 20. So if we take 30, 20 in consideration, we'll get z as 41 rupees. And the last point is 40, 0. Taking 40, 0 in consideration, we'll get the value of z as 28 rupees. So we see that the maximum profit is in coordinates 30, 20. So therefore it is given that the screw A will be 30 and screw B will be 20 for maximum profit.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।